Onika Tanya Maraj-Petty, professionally known as Nicki Minaj, was born on 8th of December in 1982. She is a Trinidadian rapper, songwriter, singer, and she is based in the United States, regarded as the queen of rap and one of the most influential rappers of all time. She is credited as a driving force into the mainstream surgery of female rap is the early 1910s, known for her dynamic rap flow with lyrics, musical versatility, and alter ego. Nicki Minaj first gained recognition after releasing 3 mixtapes between 2007 to 2009. Her debut studio album is Pink Friday, released in 2010, and topped the US Billboard 200, achieved the largest female rap album sale week in 21st century, and spawned the RIA Diamond certified top 5 single Super Bass. Minaj explored dance pop on her second studio album, Pink Friday Roman Rebel, released in 2012. Nicki Minaj is one of the world's best-selling music artists and the best-selling female rapper with over 100 million records sold. She has 3 Diamond certified songs by the RIA, and in 2024 became the first female rapper with a multiple Diamond certificate solo songs. She is among the RIA 5th highest certified digital single artists. In 2023, Billboard and Vibe ranked Nicki Minaj as the greatest female rapper of all time. Her various accolades include a Brit Award, Billboard Music Award, 9 American Music Award, 8 MTV Video Music Award, Mark Jackson Video Vag Award, 13 BET Award, a Soul Train Music Award, and 3 Guinness World Records. Time named her one of 100 most influential people in the world in 2006, and she has won honored with Billboard World Music in Game of Changer Award. Nicki Minaj also has played a role in the animated film including Ice Age, Commando Drift, The Angry Birds, Movie 2, Barbershop, The Barbershop, The Next Cut. Wishing happy birthday to Nicki Minaj. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write to the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Some of following information was gathered by Wikipedia. Uyu munsi ni isabukuru y'icyamamare ndetse n'igihangange Onika Tanya Maraj-Petty, akaba azwi ku mazina ya Nicki Minaj. Akaba akomoka mu gihugu cya Trinidad, akaba ari umuraperi, umuririmbyi ndetse n'umwanditsi w'indirimbo, ubu ngubu ubarizwa muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika. Akaba afatwa nk'umwamikazi wa rap, ndetse akaba n'umwe mu baraperi bavuga rikijyana ku isi. Yamenyekanye amaze gushyira hanze album ye Pink Friday mu 2010. Iyo yahise ijya mu ndirimbo 200 zari zikunzwe muri Amerika. Nicki Minaj yagiye akora udushya ndetse yegukana n'ibihembo bitandukanye, harimo nko gutwara inshuro 50 highest certificated junior artist, atwara Billboard, atwara Vibe, atwara greatest female rapper of all time, atwara Brit Award, atwara Billboard Music Award, atwara American Music Award, MTV Video Music Award, atwara BET Award, Soul Train Music Award inshuro 3, ajya muri Guinness de Record, ndetse ikinyamakuru Time cyamushyize mu bantu bavuga rikijyana ku isi, abantu 100 bivuga rikijyana mu mwaka 2016. Wakoze kubana nanjye, nagusaba like na subscribe y'imenya makuru agezweho. Tekereza cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment. Urakoze, ugira ibihe byiza.